Hi guys, how are y'all? I hope y'all are doing so super great during this Thanksgiving month. This is a turkey cookie and I'm going to show y'all how to do it. You're going to need some fudge striped Keebler cookies. You're going to need some chocolate icing, either homemade icing or Betty Crocker, whichever you prefer. You're going to need some candy corns. You're going to need some candy eyes. You're going to need some M&M'S, either mini size or regular size, and you're going to need some red icing gel. So sit back, relax, and let's show y'all how to do this. Hi guys, how are y'all? I hope y'all are doing so super fantastic. So I am going to show you how to make this cute little turkey cookie out of simple ingredients that you can get from your store. So guys, the first thing you're going to need is Keebler Fudge Striped Original Cookies, and you're going to use the back part of it, which, that's the back part of it. You're going to need some Rolos. You're going to need some M&M'S. You're going to need some candy corn, some little white eyeballs, and those are edible, and you're going to need some Betty Crocker or whatever kind you'd like, rich and creamy chocolate icing. Okay guys, so let's get started. So you're going to open up your icing, which I've already opened it up, and you are going to get just a small layer, and you're going to rub it on the cookie just like this. Make sure you get it all around the spots. And it's so cute, let me tell you, it's so cute. Just rub it around all the cookie parts. Oh, get over there. Okay, so that's the first part. Then you're going to put it down. You're going to open up your candy corn, and you're going to place the candy corn just like this. And you can either do one layer of candy corn or you can do two. I personally think it looks cuter with 2 layers of candy corn. I want to back that up a little bit. Do it like this. Okay, and then you're going to get your Rolo. You're going to turn it upside down, and you're going to put it right there. Alright, you're going to pick up your little eyeballs, turn it upside down, and you're going to put just a little bit on the back side of the eyeball, so to make sure that it stays on the Rolo, just like that. Oh, there we go. Here we go. There's one eyeball. And you're going to grab another eyeball. Oh, that's a lot. And don't go overboard like me, guys. Okay, there we go. There is 2 eyeballs for the turkey. Okay, then you're going to get an M&M, and you're going to cut the M&M in half. And I just use scissors. You ignore my hands because I have the chocolate icing all over them. You're going to put the chocolate icing on the back part of the M&M. Okay, make sure you get all the icing off of and you're going to put it right here. And this is the nose. Look at that, look at that. Isn't it cute? This little nose. Okay. Then you're going to get some red icing gel. You're going to go just like this. You're going to start from right at the top of the nose, and you're going to go down, and that makes its little beak. So guys, once again, you're going to use Keebler Fudge Striped Cookies, the back part. You're going to use eyeballs, edible eyeballs. You're going to use M&M'S for the nose. You're going to use Rolos for the face. You're going to use candy corn for the feathers, and you're going to use icing that's going to hold everything down. And I will leave all of these ingredients in the About Me section of this video. But I hope that you enjoyed this little cookie. They taste so cute. And let me know what I should make next, and I will do that for you. You guys have a blessed day. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, turn your post notifications on, and thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.